Crypto.com Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Crypto.com's platform are in the description below. Let's dive straight into this review. Crypto.com is one of the most well-known crypto investment platforms, offering a comprehensive suite of features for both beginners and experienced traders. Its platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 250 other altcoins, making it one of the most diverse platforms available for digital asset trading. It caters to a variety of users, from casual investors to active traders and even institutional investors. One of the standout features of Crypto.com is its all-in-one ecosystem. Users can buy, sell, and store crypto securely, as well as earn rewards through staking and high-interest savings accounts. The platform also offers its own Crypto.com Visa card, which allows users to spend their crypto like cash, earning cashback rewards in the process. This makes Crypto.com more than just a trading platform. It's a fully integrated crypto financial hub. Crypto.com's fee structure is competitive, but it's important to note that fees can vary based on your membership level and trading volume. The platform uses a tiered system where higher volume traders can benefit from lower fees. It's also worth mentioning that Crypto.com offers a user-friendly mobile app that provides easy access to all of its services, including real-time market tracking and the ability to execute trades on the go. Security is a top priority for Crypto.com, with industry-leading measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for crypto assets, ensuring that your investments are well protected. Additionally, the platform offers a unique feature called the Crypto.com Earn program, allowing users to earn interest on their crypto holdings. Overall, Crypto.com is a solid option for anyone looking to engage in crypto investment, especially if you're interested in an all-in-one platform that goes beyond just trading. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy entry into crypto or an experienced investor seeking advanced features, Crypto.com offers something for everyone. Check the links in the description for more details.